How to use Grab with international SIM cards. First of all, when you are in a new country with an international SIM card, ensure that your mobile data is active. Without mobile data, you won't be able to access Grab services. Once your data is working, download the Grab app from the Play Store if you haven't already done so. If you already have the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version for smooth performance. If you don't have a Grab account, no worries. Just open the app and it will prompt you to sign up. You'll need to enter your phone number and Grab will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter that code and you will be ready to create your account. You will also be asked for some basic details like your name and email address to complete the registration. If you have used Grab before, simply log in with your existing account details. Grab will request permission to access your location, and it's essential to enable this feature so that the app can find the nearest rides or food delivery services. Next, you'll need to enter your payment method. Grab typically supports a variety of international payment options such as credit and debit cards. For a smooth transaction, ensure that your international card is ready for use in the country you are in. Some countries might also support payment via digital wallet, so check those options if necessary. Now, once you are set up, you can start using Grab for rides, deliveries, or even other services. When booking a ride, ensure the pickup location is accurate as Grab uses your GPS location to find nearby drivers. You will also have an option to choose from different vehicle types depending on your preference and the available option in the area. In case you run into any issues with connectivity or payment, you can reach out to Grab support through the app. They usually offer 24/7 customer service to help with any question or concern you might have. And that's it. Now you know how to use Grab with international SIM cards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.